Hey friends, are you in your 20s and wondering how to use your money wisely? This time is very important for your financial future, and believe me, being financially secure is not as complicated as you think. In this video, we will discuss 7 powerful tips that will help you become financially smart no matter your income. We will cover everything from simple budgeting to investing and building long-term assets. So if you are ready to start your financial journey the right way, then stay tuned to this video. Let's first talk about budgeting. Many people find it a boring task, but believe me, it is the most important step in your financial life. Budgeting means keeping track of your income and expenses. You should know where your money is coming from and where it is going. An easy way is the 50-30-20 rule. Keep 50% of your income for essential things like rent, food and transportation. Keep 30% for your hobbies and entertainment and 20% for savings or paying off debt. When you budget, you find out where your money is being wasted and how you can control it. Anything can happen in life at any time. Therefore, having an emergency fund is extremely important. It will act as a safety net for you if there is a sudden medical emergency, job loss, or any other unwanted event. Be sure to keep at least 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses in an emergency fund. This money will save you from financial stress during difficult times. To create an emergency fund, you can deposit a small amount every month into a separate bank account. This will be a smart investment for your financial future. Now let's talk about investing. Many people think that only rich people invest, but this is not true. You can start investing with a small amount too. The biggest advantage of investing is compounding. This means your money grows faster over time. The sooner you start investing, the more you will benefit. To get started, you can invest in index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts such as PPF or NPS. By investing a small amount every month, you can build a large fund in the long term. Chapter 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Smartness, not show-off, is important. As your income increases, so do your expenses. This is called lifestyle inflation. You start buying expensive things like a new car, a bigger house, or brand name clothes. To avoid lifestyle inflation, it is important to understand the difference between your needs and wants. You don't have to buy every latest gadget or eat at an expensive restaurant every weekend. Stick to your budget and spend wisely. Remember, it is better to invest your money and secure your future than to spend it on showing off. Chapter 5. Title: Stay away from debt. Don't get caught in the debt trap. Credit cards and loans are easy to get, but they are not easy to manage. If you don't make payments on time, you can get caught in a debt trap. Use your credit card wisely and always pay the full amount on time. Avoid high-interest loans, such as personal loans or payday loans. If you are already in debt, try to pay it off as soon as possible. Getting rid of debt is the first step to your financial freedom. Chapter 6. Title: Invest in yourself. Keep learning, keep growing. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Improve your skills, learn new things, and increase your knowledge. Take courses, attend seminars, or read books. Make yourself valuable so that your earning potential increases. Remember, your biggest asset is yourself, so never hesitate to invest in yourself. Chapter 7. Title: Set financial goals. Dream, set goals, achieve them. A journey without a destination is incomplete. Similarly, your financial journey is also incomplete without financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term goals. Do you want to buy a house? Do you want to retire early? Do you want to give your children a good education? Write down your goals and make a plan to achieve them. Goals keep you motivated and take you in the right direction. So, set your financial goals today and start working towards achieving them. Outro title: Secure your financial future. So friends, these were 7 powerful tips that will help you become financially smart in your 20s. Remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that requires time, dedication, and smart decisions. By building a strong financial foundation in your 20s, you can create a secure and stress-free future. By budgeting, saving, investing, and making smart financial decisions, you can achieve your financial goals and fulfill your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tell us in the comments what your biggest financial goal is. See you in the next video.